Hey, hello everyone. My name is Rafi Ridwan, and I want to share the last session, which is session 5 in International with Teacher Training program on Python with Pictoblocks. In this video, I will show you about using of Python notebook in Pictoblocks with the case is data analysis of study score, which I am using from Kaggle data. This is the data set with the original data with more row, but I was renaming to studentscore.csv. So the first, I am load the library or module, but before that, you must install the library in here. I was install and move to analyze or load the data and show the 5 row of the data to see the data, the example of the data, and for this code is to see how many column there is missing value or not. But because this data is was clean, so there is no data or missing value because it's for just education. And for this now is to uh, filter which data want to use or which column want to use for this simple data analyze is I want just use this column gender ethnic group net score rating score to find the score or to categorize which ethnic group with highest score. And for this the data frame described is for now the statistic or now the characteristic of each column, which can now the gender is just 2, unique value is male or female, and for ethnic group is just 5 unique value, which is there are 5 group, and for the most is the group C, which the quantity may be in this. And this is 2 column is for categorical, and the 3 of this is numerical, which the math score has the minimal value is 0, reading score is 10, and writing score is 5. And for the max value, a lot of 3 of them is have 100 score. And for the mean, starting for 60, around 60. And this the f dot his ini for look the histogram or distribution using pandas library. And for this code, it is same like this, but using matplotlib library so that are more customized. It can uh, coloring the code or the plot. And for this to visualization the distribution of ethnic group or group or categorical data, we can see easily. So the group C, like in this table of start, is the most of student is in group C, and the few or the small student is in group A or the ethnic of group A. So this is what I want to analyze is it is the quantity of student will effect in the score. It is the group C will the higher score or not, or maybe the group A will get the higher score in average score. So to know that we must analyze and create the new column is with average score, which use and get the mean or the average score with use pandas library dot mean. But for the if you manually not using pandas is like the same is math score, reading score, writing score, and divide to 3. But because using pandas, there is automatically was averaging or score. And like before, to check the result, the F dot hit to see the example like this. We can see the value is right. This is the average from 72, 72, and 74. The average score is 72. And for this column is I want just to categorize for the symbolic data. We use column, the new column is grade with filter or using conditional, but is conditional is just maybe not standardized, but I am using this conditional. And for the result, you must use bof dot head to see the result. And for what I want to check, it is average score by group. To know which group got the highest score or final score. And this is like was sort to because we sort to group E, the with got the final a lot of score. And this is average score. The group with the highest average score is group A, and this is just for visualization. So we can see the group E is got the, the most or to get the highest score for its final score, but not group C. And group E is the two of bottom of number student, so it can conclude the quantity of each group is not will affect the score. It's just depend another aspect. So that is from me. Thank you, and I hope this can clear and enough for example. Thank you.